Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Starlight English Center. My name is Teacher Lo and I will be your teacher for today. What do we have for today? Let's start with workers. These are jobs. Artist, artist, dentist, dentist, doctor, doctor, astronauts, astronauts, firefighter, firefighter, nurse, nurse, police officer, police officer, vets, vets. Now, we want to know how to ask and answer questions about these workers. Are you ready? Let's see what we have here. When you see a boy, a man, or a male, we use he. When you see a female, a girl, or a woman, we use she. So you can say who. We use who when referring to humans. When we are referring to humans, we use who. Remember, we use what when referring to objects, but we use who when referring to humans. So here we need to ask questions about these workers. So we can say, who is he? Who is he? And the answer is, since we can see a firefighter here, you can say he's a firefighter. He is a firefighter. Now to this one, who is she? Who is she? She's an artist. She's an artist. Also, the yes or no question. Look at this man very well. We want to be sure of exactly what this man does. So we can say, is he a dentist? Is he a dentist? This one demands yes or no answer. Is he a dentist? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. What about this one? We want to know exactly what she is also into. So we can ask, is she a nurse? Is she a nurse? Looking at this lady very carefully, she isn't. So we can say, no, she isn't. No, she isn't. Please remember, when the question starts with who is she? Who is he? You have to begin with he is a or she is a. But when the question is he a doctor? Is she a nurse? This one demands yes or no answer. No, he isn't. Yes, he is. No, she isn't. Yes, she is. Please bear in mind. And here, this is what our dream jobs are. What do you want to be? What do you want to be? I want to be an astronaut. I want to be an astronaut. We use an because of letter A. We use an because of letter A here, because A is a vowel. So you can say, I want to be an astronaut. No, you have to say, I want to be an astronaut. What do you want to be? I want to be a police officer. I want to be a police officer. The question is, why did I use an astronaut? But here I'm using a police officer. P is a consonant, so it must go with a. A is a vowel, so it must go with an. Now, thank you very much for joining me for today's class. I really appreciate and see you next time.